Hello guys, it's Musha and welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'll be sharing with you my overnight rice water hairspray for hair growth. Okay, so yeah, I'll be sharing with you how to make the rice water, how I use it on my hair, and the results that I have got since I started using the rice water. And it's only been like 2 weeks, you guys, and believe it or not, this stuff actually works. Okay, it works. You have to just be consistent with it. But anyway, without talking too much, let's get into this video. Hello, if this is your first time here, be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Yes, join the gang, join the family. Rice water is like the craze right now, okay? So I've been like, you know, I don't know, but then I just thought, you know what, let me give it a try, because I'm not going to lose anything from trying it. So I thought, let me give it a try myself so I can see my own results. And boy oh boy, was I wrong for not thinking that this stuff actually works. So yeah, I decided to give it a try, and yeah, you're not gonna believe this. You're not, honestly, you're not gonna believe this. But yeah, I decided to give rice water a try, because I did it the first time when it all started, but I wasn't really consistent. So this time around I decided I was going to do it every single day. I was going to incorporate rice water, hairspray, moisturizer into my regimen as part of my daily routine to do with moisturizing my hair, and I've done so. And yeah, so you guys get ready. I'm gonna show you what my hair looks like. This is after a couple of weeks of me using rice water, and yeah, so I'm going to take off my head wrap now, and then I'm going to show you. I don't know if you guys are ready or not. Are you ready? Alright, let's do this. I know the suspense is killing me. Hi guys, so before I show you my hair, I just wanted to quickly show you how I make my rice water. This is the easiest and simplest way of making rice water. And so I just begin by washing the rice water, you know, thoroughly cleansing it, making sure that I don't have any debris, any other stuff that may be on the rice water, because you don't want to be putting, you know, other bits and things on your hair. So yeah, I just make sure I cleanse that, wash it up properly, because it's going on your hair and you want something that's pretty much clean. Just like just before you cook it, you make sure you wash it. So you simply do the same thing with this one, and we want this rice water to be as pure as possible. So yeah, I'm just making sure to thoroughly wash it, and then I grab my mason jar. That's where I'll be putting my rice water. So I just transfer the rice water into the mason jar, as you can see. And then once I'm done, I add some fresh, clean water. You can add as much water as you want or as little as you want, depending on how much rice water you want to make. And then I add some lemon peel just to disguise the smell of the rice water. So that really helps to just, yeah, get rid of that smell, in case you don't like the rice water smell once it's fermented. And yeah, we're good to go. So I just left it on the windowsill for, you know, overnight to ferment. And this is the rice water after it's been fermented. And yeah, you can see it's fermenting. And then I just transfer it into this spray bottle. So, and then use that as my water spray. Guys, okay, so you know when you take off stuff and it's just itching. Okay, so this is the amount of growth that I got. I am going to insert a picture of what my hair looked like a couple of weeks ago. and this is what it's looking like right now after using rice water, and this amount of growth that I've got. And yeah, it's impressive. It's very, very impressive. Like I'm just like, my hair is flourishing, my hair is growing. But anyway, I'm going to show you how I use my rice water with DIY oil that I made. I will do a video on that. If you guys would like to see that, let me know. So this is rice water, and there's also some fenugreek water in there as well mixed. So that's just like a mega boost hair growth remedy. So this is basically what I do on a daily basis. I just spray my hair. So I usually do this either in the morning when I wake up or just before I go to bed, like a few hours before I go to bed, just to moisturize my hair and spray literally on my scalp, on my hair. So you guys, I'm currently protective styling and my hair is in cornrows, and then I just follow up with my DIY hair growth oil. This is my Ayurveda DIY hair growth oil. So yeah, I will make, I've got so many videos to make for you guys. Yeah, so all I do is just follow up with oil just to seal in the moisture, because you don't want to just apply a moisturizer without following up with an oil. So yeah guys, so without putting too much oil on my hair to a point where it starts drooping, I just make sure that I massage everything onto my scalp and into my hair, let it sink in, and yeah. So I'm thinking I don't want to put this thing back on my head. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna let my hair be like this and just let it air dry a little bit. And yeah, that's basically what I've been doing every single day for the past like 2 weeks or so. And these are the results. As you can see, my hair has grown out a lot from the picture that I inserted, like that was day one, and you know, today is like what's going on, what's happening. It's quite a lot. So I'm looking forward to, you know, how much more my hair will grow after today and a few more weeks to come. So you guys should definitely give rice water a try, but make sure to test it out on a small patch of your skin before you spray it on your hair, because some people have experienced allergy reactions and things like that. Or like if it's not overnight, make sure you dilute it a little bit, because it can be too potent and too strong. So make sure you dilute it a little bit with some, you know, fresh water, and then use it as a daily spray. If you leave it for like 2-3 days to ferment, yeah, definitely use some fresh water with it as well. So that's why I mix mine with fenugreek water. Mine, obviously, it's like I make one overnight, and then sometimes there's too much, I just leave it there to ferment some more. So yeah, that's basically what I do. But yeah guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you learned something from it today. So I hope to see you in my next video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're new here, and for more videos like this. If you want to learn a lot more about hair growth and about, you know, DIYs, then this is the place to be. This is the place where you want to be. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. Remember guys, stay beautiful, always unbothered. Period. Okay, until next time, bye guys.